The Minister of Health says it's now monitoring an outbreak of conjunctivitis, popularly known as pink eye, in western Jamaica. St. James and Trelawney are now experiencing a rise in cases. TVJ's Donald Christian reports.
The number of pink eye cases in St. James is on the rise, with more than 12 times as many cases in a week compared to last year's figures. Medical Officer of Health for St. James, Dr. Marcia Johnson Campbell, gave us the details.
Certainly, we've seen a large number of persons coming to our health facilities. From last year, we would have had maybe 12 persons in a week attending our health facilities for pink eye. This year, we have reached up to over 150 persons coming in 1 week for treatment for pink eye. So yes, there's a significant increase.
Dr. Campbell advised that in most cases there is no need for antibiotics. However, she said infected persons can wash their eyes with warm salt water 3 times per day and seek medication for itching and pain.
The basic thing that needs to happen is hand washing, and to ensure that if you are touching your eye with anything, the hand is washed and whatever you use to touch the eye can be safely disposed of. So preferably a tissue or hand towel that is disposed of safely, and washing the hands very frequently. It's best to stay away from public spaces. So if you're sick and you need to get a sick leave, get a sick leave and stay home.
This, she said, especially for children.
It's best that the children stay home, but if they have to come out, then ensure hand washing, wiping down the areas with bleach, and just sanitizing the area and keeping persons safe. But it is best that if the child has pink eye, they stay home.
Donald Christian, TVJ News.